Like, what the hell is going on?
Just what I needed now. A wino and a rhino.
How much did you weigh before you lost your 40 pounds?
I don't remember. See, I'm one of those unlucky people. The least little thing I eat and I just blow up. I think it's glands.
Well, you better stop messing with them glands.
Well, Papa, you gonna help me with this garden now?
Son, I did my part. I got us a scarecrow. This is guaranteed to scare away slugs and snails and birds. I didn't know that you entered in that contest.
I didn't only enter into it, I'm going to win it.
Wrong. That's the first place you can enter that contest because you're not eligible. See, one of the things you have to be is a part of a certain race.
What race?
Human. Do like I tell you. Forget about that. Bow out. Keep yourself from being embarrassed.
Why should I be embarrassed? I got everything it takes to win that contest. When I was born, my body was blessed by Mother Nature, honey.
And as you got older, it was cursed by Father Time. Just remember that the Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away. Hallelujah! And you remember when you look in the mirror tonight, the Lord gave you that face and you stuck with it. Listen, if I wasn't so sick, I would give you one of these across your ugly lips. Who you calling ugly? I'm calling you ugly. I could stick your face in some dough and make some gorilla cookies.
We'll talk about that some other time.
Now I want to talk about it now.
I said we'll talk about that some other time.
You don't tell me what I talk about. Tell me what I talk about in my own house.
Don't you point your finger at my nose.
I'll point my finger at your nose and I'll point my foot somewhere else.
You see, the same, nothing has changed. The same crude manners, the same fighting fists.
And you still got the same bad temper, the same big fat mouth. You battle axe.